welcome back to the channel. Please adjust your sound if you need to. I had to record the movie, and then I can't see the pictures till it pops up on my screen to narrate. I don't know. So I had some eggs and sausage. That's one of my favorite. Threw it together real quick. And I've been making these sausage. I don't know what they're giant pieces of sausage, right? Just cut the tube in 6 pieces or 5 pieces. And there you go. Went to the pantry. Okay, this is pretty good. See how this works. So I pulled out some dehydrated stuff there, Miss Jamie. So I got some dehydrated peas. Why not, right? Some dehydrated penne pasta. I had leftover, wanted to use it. Some mixed vegetables, right? And dehydrated mushroom soup powder. Oh, yeah. And then we have some dehydrated whole mushrooms. If you look back, I had to have some dehydrated whole milk powder too, in case I needed it. Say it with me. Let's go to the lab and do some dehydrated cooking. So here on the bench is live cooking. All right, I'm gonna do it all in the little mini wok. Nice little thing, this deal. All right, see that's my portable suck vac machine. Love this thing, right? I got a bowl, right? And let's see, what else? Waiting. There we go. Oh, and we're going to have some water because this is dehydrogenolized, right? So look at this little graphic. 1 cup of whole mushrooms. We have 1/8 a cup of peas, right? 1 cup of mixed veggies. Didn't know how much I'm going to need with all this, right? A few of them Roma tomato slices I did. I have no idea. And about a cup of this already cooked pasta. 1/2 cup of mushroom powder. I like these cups. Thank you very much, daughter. These also have the metric on them. So, anyway, so I threw it all in a bowl. Like anything, you have to do water with it. But let's take a look at the different selections, right? It's a good selection of veggies. So I threw it in the little portable wok deal here. Filled it with some water up a little bit. Didn't know how much to do yet. I didn't weigh anything or whatever, but it's got everything all in there that I need as a good base. Now, the test on this was these peas. Now, them peas are pretty hard. All right, so I did the 15-minute a little movie, everybody. Actually cooking. So what I did was I brought it to a boil, like on the camp stove thing, right? So what they do is they boil the water, pour the stuff in, and then cover it for 15 minutes. Okay. So did that. There you go. So brought it up, did the deal, covered it for 15 minutes. Was not really happy with the peas. The peas just did not work that much. So I went, pulled it out, said, okay, so we're gonna crank it up again. Really get them peas. Now see the peas? They're getting a lot better. I noticed that. Hit them again with a good stir fry. Sear on it. Oh, get out of the fog. Backing up here. There we go. I love live cooking, don't you? So funny. I have no idea where we at. Okay, come on. Again, I haven't done any kind of edit. I just did this movie. There we go. Okay, we're moving again. Now, I apologize. I need to get a real cover. The only thing that'll fit on that thing's a plate. Right? So here it is, right? All juiced up. Now, what I did was I drained the juice. Okay. And then I have the juice in the pan, and here I'm going to make 1/2 cup of dehydrated mushroom soup powder. Again, not sure why Not sure why I got a second movie in here, but we got some definitely mushroom thickening sauce there. All right, that's pure mushroom soup. Now I didn't know whether I was going to use milk or the water, but I decided to put a little bit of ghee in that to give it a little bit of shimmer. Now what's ghee? It's like clarified butter. Maybe I have to do a thing on it. So I throw it in there, mix it around, give it a little bit of butter taste. Why not? And there it is, back in the pan, all nice. Now, again, not very good with this camera thing and this handheld deal, but it's pretty yummy. It's all like the, you know, mushroom stroganoff stuff that people see. I don't know to tell you. Okay, I got maybe I can do better with some snappy shots or something. I don't know what I did now. There we go. Okay, yeah. Not too shabby. It's okay. But now some people say, "Oh, don't like the sour cream in it." Well, there's no cream in this at all. If I wanted to, I could add the milk, whipping cream, or whatever. But there you go. Pretty good. I never do plates, right? That much. Now I did add some sausage. Why not? Mushroom sausage? Sure. With peas? Oh, delicious. It's very tasty, but I had crumbled some sausage in it. Would you eat that? Right? Very tasty. And again, I try not, oh, look at that. I get weird picture. I try not to make too much food over unless it's like steak or something. But hey, I really appreciate everybody popping in, seeing what's going on. You never know. Ooh, have a great day. Later on.